Hello friends, this is Milani Hachunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing Etude House Hot Style Bubble Hair Coloring in shade 10 PK Pink Hazelnut. Excuse my morning face as I just woke up. So this is my current hair color and I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. I have 1 month's root growth as well, that includes my grey hair. My current hair color is golden brown that has brassy tone to it. I recently had a haircut, so I have less hair to color because it's hard to manage long hair. This color gives pink brown vibes from the box as its name Pink Hazelnut suggests. The product claims that shampoo in hair color uses an innovative bubble foam formula that evenly coats each hair strand in your choice of shades. Easy to use hair color is specially formulated with rich emollients that keeps hair irresistibly soft and shiny while helping color stay vivid and vibrant longer. The color chart is right in front of your eyes. Unfortunately, it has only Korean instructions, which I can't understand as an international customer. These are the contents of box right in front of your eyes. Firstly, this transparent packet includes an instruction manual. Unfortunately, it's entirely in Korean, but thanks to the pictures as I have some insight now. Secondly, this packet includes a plastic cape and a pair of latex gloves. Then, there is the 01 marked sachet that is the colorant. This sachet has a twist open cap and has an awful chemically smell. 02 is a pump bottle that is called oxidizer, which helps in bubbling up the dye. Oxidizer itself is 60 gram, which is a lot. It has chemically smell as well. So we are supposed to mix 01 and 02 and I accidentally spilled some of it. 01 is beer colored. 03 is a conditioning agent which I guess prevents hair from damaging. It is clear in color and now it's 95 grams in total, which is double the amount of mostly box dyes. Once everything is added, then it is instructed to mix it sideways instead of shaking it. Now I will remove the preventive lock and start applying the dye. Yay! It has quite dense foam. So guys, I will apply it like applying shampoo. The technique that I am using here is that I will try to cover every visible strand of my hair in this foam like I shampoo it. Just follow the way I am applying this dye and you will have an even coat. I will speed up the video so the video length remains short, but you can always go to settings and slow down the playback so the video speed so you can get at what I'm doing. As I'm applying this bubble dye, the foam is disappearing on other side, which means that this dye is penetrating into my hair. So I need to reapply the foam there. It is instructed that the bubbles should not disappear from hair. So I will keep reapplying it. It's so easy to do it at home even though it's expensive for us Pakistanis. It's hard for me to go to a salon and then spend money on all this. So I find this bubble dye just works for me and it's more convenient. I tried Blackpink's bubble dye and it was a mess, but now I have more experience to do it well. By the way, how are you all doing in quarantine? What do you do all day? I'm literally lying on bed the entire day and just panic. The foam isn't dripping, which is great, but my sink and floor is getting stained because I keep on dropping the foam everywhere. The dye bottle keeps on slipping from my hands as my gloves and bottle both have foam all over it. I keep on dropping the bubble dye and cleaning it before it stains my floors pink, but it stains within seconds. Even after 1 month, my floor, sink and door is stained. I already brush my hair before applying the dye and I keep on brushing fingers in my hair so it doesn't tangles. I have already completed applying the dye sideways. Now I'm applying it this way so my backside and rest of the left hair will be coated by this bubble dye evenly. The foam is appearing little pink as I keep on using it. There is so much dye in it that even though I have applied it or reapplied it like 10 times, it's still half in the bottle. If the hair will tangle, the final result won't be even, so I'm making sure to run my fingers in my hair between applications. Look how messy this bottle is getting. Look how easy it is to do backside, isn't it? The best part is that it doesn't stain skin. I didn't have Vaseline applied anywhere and my skin never stained. I keep on remassaging hair so bubbles don't appear. So that's how my hair look after I have completed application after 10 minutes. They have already started turning wine color. Now I will wash my hair after 45 minutes with the given hair treatment sachet. You can see that my dark roots are a little dark than my entire hair. I asked my sister and she said that my hair look one color and even on roots as well. The color doesn't look patchy. Oh my god, yes, it looks so natural, isn't it? My color looks exactly like pink hazelnut color on box. All my hair are dyed properly and there is no gray hair. My hair feels so soft to touch, but this dye has dried my hair a lot. On second day, my hair looked very dreamy and still beautiful. I haven't washed my hair. My pink shirt is making my hair look more pink and gorgeous. I'm so happy with the results. That's how my hairs look after second wash. My hair got really damaged after using this dye, but I started using some treatments and that's how my hair has improved. The color is fading to a beautiful red-brown color even after a month. I will rate this dye 5 by 5 and will definitely recommend it to all of you if you can go to the salon.